Alright, this is stuff I got from the Pokemon vending machine at Kroger. So I got these two Twilight Masquerades. And I got this tin. Alright, code card. It's the promo. And it comes with Obsidian Flames, 2 of them, Scarlet and Violet, Silver Tempest, nice, and Astral Radiance. Alright, starting with Twilight Masquerade. See if we get something cool. Alright, Nose Pass, nice. Seeking. Sunkern, like that art, it's pretty cool. Abra. Leafeon, cool. Swanna. Glamora. Reverse Hollow Hassel, the dude from Scarlet and Violet, I think. Torkoal, it's pretty cool art. Ooh, Blood Moon Ursaluna EX, nice. Abra again, Skarmory, Applin, Snorunt. Oh, that art's so cool. Nice. Heracross, cool. Palafin. Man, the art on the comic cards even so dope. Thwacky. Ooh, nice. Got the full art layer on. Oh, illustration rare. That is clean. Ooh, and Alakazam too. Nice. Alright, 2 hits, 2 packs. It's pretty cool. Alright, next, got Obsidian Flames. Alright, Diglett. Rowlet. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Baltoy. Finizen. Houndoom. Nice. Altaria. Volcarona. Mawile. Let's see. Audino. Palafin again. Nice. Alright, next pack. Alright. Herdier. Glimmet. Rhyme. Rockruff. Clodsire, Grumpig. Look at that. What's he doing, bro? Malamar, Camerupt, Lampet, nice. And, ooh, Clefable EX, another hit out of 3 hits, 4 packs. That's pretty good. All right, still got 3. So we'll save the Sword and Shield packs for last. Go Scarlet and Violet next. Lechonk, Starly, Tarantula, Pachirisu. Oh man, look at that art. That is clean. Artist popped off for that. Picnic Basket, Bombardier, nice. Spupa. Ooh, look at that. Illustration rare toes cool. That is cool as hell. Nice. Ooh, an Arcanine EX. Double hits. That's clean. Nice. Alright, got these two. Go Astral Radiance next. I think the trick is 4 cards. Nice, I was right. Cranidos, Golduck, Switch Cart, Hippopotas. Look at that. They're trying to sneak off, bro. Cyndaquil, nice. Favorite starter. Poniard. Doing jumping jacks. Alright. Hisuian Growlithe, cool. Hisuian Voltorb, nice. Ooh, Radiant Hawlucha, nice. I have this card in Japanese, but I'm glad I have an English one. Clean. And Overquill. Alright, last pack. Silver Tempest. Heard this set's hyped up because of that Lugia. Definitely not pulling that shit, so let's see what we get. Come on, bro. This. Claydol. The Worker. Sunflora, nice. Beldum. Murkrow. My favorite dark type right there. One of my favorites. Look at that art. Feels like Batman right now. Fennekin, nice. Sandile at the playground, chilling. Snorunt. Serena, cool. And let's see, we got a hit. Noivern. And that's it. Alright, cool. Good little haul, nice.